Welcome to Activity 4, Role Play, Guest Requests, and Cultural Sensitivity. This final activity brings all the learning to life through real-time interaction and reflection. It gives participants the chance to step into the shoes of both the guest and the service provider, using empathy, clarity, and cultural awareness to manage a sensitive request with care. Participants work in pairs or small groups. One person plays the role of a guest with a specific cultural or religious need. This could include observing daily prayer, needing alcohol-free accommodations, requesting gender-sensitive room service, or asking about religious food options. The other person plays the hotel staff member, responding to the request as they would in a real hospitality setting. The goal is not to act perfectly, but to respond with thoughtfulness. The staff member must listen closely, speak respectfully, and try to find a reasonable, helpful solution. They must also manage tone, body language, and timing. Sometimes the smallest detail can make a guest feel respected or dismissed. After each short role play, the pair pauses to reflect together. 3 questions guide this debrief. 1. How did the staff member approach the guest's request? 2. What challenges came up during the interaction? 3. If this had been a real situation, what could be improved? After the first round, participants switch roles and repeat the exercise with a new scenario. They may rotate through several different requests and roles. As they practice, they begin to notice what kind of language feels supportive, what gestures help put someone at ease, and how to adjust their approach based on the guest's background or comfort level. This activity builds the soft skills that are critical in culturally diverse hospitality: empathy, patience, flexibility, and emotional intelligence. It also helps people become more confident in navigating moments that may not have a script, moments that call for instinct, care, and human understanding. By the end of this role-play activity, participants will have a deeper sense of how to provide excellent guest service, not just with efficiency, but with respect for every person's story, tradition, and dignity.